Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Special Education Hub. I hope you are all doing well. Today's topic is little sensitive but very important. Today's topic is common mistakes parents make with special needs children. This video is not to blame parents. I know every parent tries their best, but sometimes unknowingly mistakes happen, and fixing them can change a child's life. Why this topic is hard but necessary. Before we start, let me say this clearly parenting a special needs child is not easy. Many parents feel guilt, fear, confusion, social pressure. Sometimes mistakes are not because parents don't care, but because they don't know. This video is about awareness, not judgment. There are some mistakes parents make with special child. Mistake 1: denial of child's condition. The most common mistake is denial. Parents say, "My child is normal, he will grow out of it." Doctors are wrong. Denial delays sport. Early help makes a huge difference. Why denial feels safe to parents. Denial often comes from fear, parents' fear, society's labels, child's future, family criticism. But denial protects emotions, not the child. The earlier sport starts, the better the child's outcome. Mistake 2: comparing with other children. Comparison hurts confidence. Every child develops differently. Special needs children need encouragement, not comparison. I tell you, hidden damage of comparison. Sometimes comparison sounds harmless, like, "Look, your cousin can do this. Other kids your age can talk clearly." But the child hears, "I am not good enough." This leads to anxiety, withdrawal, aggression. Mistake 3: overprotection. Love sometimes turns into overprotection. Parents do everything for the child. This stops independence. Teach slowly, but let the child try. Here I will tell you difference between help and overhelp. Helping means teaching, guiding, encouraging. Overhelping means doing everything, not letting the child try, not allowing mistakes. As we know, mistakes are part of learning. Mistake 4: unrealistic expectations. High expectations are good, unrealistic expectations are harmful. Focus on progress, not perfection. Pressure parents don't realize unrealistic expectations create silent pressure. The child may feel constantly stressed, stop trying, develop low self worth. Small steps matter more than big dreams. Mistake 5: ignoring emotional needs. Special needs children feel deeply. They need love, validation, safety. Behavior is often communication. Behavior is a message. When a child cries, shouts, hits, or refuses, they are often saying, "I am overwhelmed. I don't know how to express myself." Punishment alone does not solve this. Mistake 6: depending only on school. School alone is not enough. Learning must continue at home in simple ways. Parents are the first teachers of their own child. What parents should stop doing? Parents should stop blaming themselves, blaming the child, listening to negative people, comparing progress. Every child's journey is unique. How to fix these mistakes? Here's what parents should do: accept the child, celebrate small wins, learn about the condition, ask for help, stay patient. You are not falling, you are learning. Important message for parents: your child was not given to you by mistake. You were chosen because your child needed your kind of love. Growth may be slow, but love makes the journey meaningful. Perfect parents do not exist. Loving, learning parents make the difference. Your child does not need perfection. Your child needs you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Special Education Hub. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.